My people, I need you guys now. So I purchased this cumin season, ground cumin. And I've never used it yet. I don't know it tastes. And I really want to try it. So somebody will use this before, or the people that will use this. Let me know if it's nice to go on meat or me not to use it. Use a little oil, help me out. Please and thank you. I need it no, because I just take it out so I can open it. I'm sure I say now open it. And put a little in my meat because I cook. Then I say, suppose it spoil up the food. So no let me know if this adds something to the meat or take away from the meat. I really need to know. My life to try things and my life to try new things. But I don't want to spoil my Sunday dinner, most importantly. So, when you make me know, and as I say, I need to know now, because I'm in the kitchen. No. So, let me know. Please and thank you. I need you guys right now.